Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is not so great time to be alive. We're seeing that the US markets right now, if I take a look at the US markets right now, ding, 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 the opening bell has just opened at time of recording, and we're seeing that right now the Dow Jones is going down. It's down about 1.89%. We're seeing the S&P is also down right now 2.2%, and we're seeing the NASDAQ is also down 2.65%. So I think pretty much that's kind of sealed our fate for the broader markets. Looks like everything's going to be down, diddy down for the most part today. So I'm just adjusting my camera. I want to make myself look more beautiful out there. And remember that nothing in this video is financial advice, and I'm just an OG expressing my opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So we're seeing that we could be seeing a reversal coming in for crypto. We could be seeing crypto going down, down. We're going to talk about Ethereum. It looks like, there could be $250 million worth of Ethereum get liquidated from Three Arrows Capital if Ethereum goes down to more than $1,000 out there. And we're seeing a lot of Ethereum that's been staked on ST Ethereum. There's been a lot of liquidation. Celsius is one of the also huge companies that are also facing imminent liquidation, and we're seeing that we could be actually seeing that Ethereum could be going down another 25% in June, guys. So we could be seeing that Ethereum sell-off resumes with Ethereum price risking another 25% decline in June. OMG. So it looks like right now we're seeing that Ethereum is forming this bear pennant right now, and this bear pennant is typically very, very bullish, very, very bearish out there, and we could be seeing ourselves breaking down to $847. Now, in previous videos, I did tell you that we could absolutely see Ethereum going down to that level. And, for me, my bottom for Ethereum is about $819. So we could be seeing Ethereum going down, down. So, guys, just have to keep an eye on that. We could see more selling pressure for Ethereum because, there's been a lot of people who have been leveraging Ethereum. And, once again, it goes back to the old story, the old adage, the leverage traders are always knocking the price out for all of the spot traders, guys. So, at the end of the day, if you're going to trade crypto, if you're going to do swing trading, and you're not a super duper professional and have years of TA experience, you're probably going to get liquidated. You're probably going to lose your shirt out there. So guys, stop it. If you're new in this business, don't jump into leverage trading. Don't do it, guys. Get some experience. Take a proper course on TA and on-chain analysis and do all that kind of stuff, guys. You guys need to have at least 5 to 6 years under your belt before you start doing that. So just stop it, guys. Just stop it. Also, we're going to talk about Dogecoin. It looks like Dogecoin website's having a new face lift. So we're going to talk about that as well. Right now, let's take another look at the markets right now. So it looks like the Dow is down 500 points, so it's not looking pretty good. We're seeing that the Bank of England right now is hiking rates for the 5th time in a row as inflation soars. Wow. So it looks like the economy's unexpectedly shrank by 0.3% in the UK in April after a 0.1% contraction in March. So it looks like England is going nuts out there, and it looks like the Monetary Policy Committee voted 6-3 to increase the bank rate by 25 basis points to 1.25% within the three dissenting members for 50 basis points. So it looks like right now the interest rates in the UK are getting higher and higher, and they could be going as high as 5 or 6% by the end of the year, guys. So that is not looking pretty good for the UK out there, and out there inflation is insane. Right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin is starting to drop right now. Bitcoin is now at $21,000, almost $21,000 even, guys, out there. So that is not looking good. We're getting a big red candle on the daily right now, and we're down around about 7%. So it's not looking pretty good. So that's not looking good at all. So if we take a look at the heat map, it looks like a Bitcoin is falling as well, and that is mainly falling because the broader markets are taking a dumpity dump. And remember that Thursday is often reversal day. So whatever happened yesterday, often Thursdays have the reversal. Don't forget, we got the whole options expirations coming on Friday as well. So that's going to add to some more volatility out there. So there's not a lot of good news out there. So we got the Debbie Downer Bear in-house. We got the Debbie Downer Bear, and he's out of there. We got the brilliant alien in-house as well, guys. So Dino is crying over spilled milk. So it looks like the markets are going down. So I'm not too happy about that. You should be too happy about that as well. So we're seeing that Bitcoin definitely needs to get above the 200 week moving average right now, and we can see that, you know, to get above the 200 week moving average, we need to see Bitcoin above 22,300. So we absolutely need to do that. And you know, in my previous videos, I talked about these support levels right here. Let me just find it. There we go. Where's the support level? Support levels. So I talked about these support levels right here, and you know, Bitcoin needs to stay above the 21,030 to the 21,630 support level. If we do not stay above those support levels, then we could be going down to 19,600. So right now, again, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at $21,172. So this is not looking good for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin could definitely be going below the the support levels that we just talked about. So if it goes below 21,030, so let's just call it 21,000. Let's not split hairs. Then we could be seeing 19,680 coming in. And if we cannot hold the 19,680, then we're definitely going to be seeing a $14,000 Bitcoin coming in. And you know, Peter Schiff, you know, he was saying that he's expecting $5,000 Bitcoin coming in. Well, I hope so, because if $5,000 Bitcoin is coming in, I'm going to buy like 100 to 200 Bitcoin out there. Definitely, that's what's going to happen. What I'm going to be doing. So I hope it does, because I can load up like a crazy man, guys. And you know, remember in the bear cycles, in the bear, that's when the money's been made, guys. And you know, this is a huge opportunity to buy, you know, the top projects out there, the top 10 projects out there. They're absolutely on a huge discount, guys. So if you guys want to create life-changing wealth, not financial advice, of course, and you have the gumption and the moxie to hold to 2025, then you're gonna create life-changing wealth for you guys. Because I believe that, you know, we're gonna absolutely surpass this year's all-time highs in 2025. It's inevitable. It's absolutely inevitable out there, and Bitcoin is always going to go up, guys. So from that perspective, buckle up, guys. Go up there already. And sure, you know, this whole dump's been like a big kick in the nuts. But you know, you guys just have to weather the storm, guys. And if you can DCA and dollar cost average, do that. So I'm going to be dollar cost averaging in the next couple hours after the markets open. The first couple hours a little bit craziness, then they're going to settle down. That's when I'm going to be starting to DCA. And if the price is right, and that's not the game show, I'm going to be buying another itty bitty baby out there. So this is also coming in right now. We're seeing that the U.S. House wants to assess crypto investment in 401k. So they just want to do a deep dive. Basically, they want to see, you know, what percentages of 401ks are going to have crypto, and because they really still believe this is a too risky asset, and a lot of people are kind of like, they need to build safeguards. So this is just all part of this whole regulatory framework out there. So that's what that's all about, guys. I wouldn't worry about too much. Also, look, finally, we see that Celsius, Alex in the house, the big Debbie Downer out there. And basically, you know, as you guys know the whole story, Alex took your money and they used leverage out there. They put it into Curve Finance and they put it into Anchor out there so they can earn huge APYs. And basically, if they didn't top up, they're going to get margin calls. So, and then their Ethereum 2.0 that's on the Beacon chain is locked up, guys. So basically, they're using your money to leverage trade. And you know, when the price dropped, you know, they got a margin call. And basically, there was a run on Ethereum on the platform, and that's why they had no liquidity, guys. So they just basically run out of liquid money because the price of crypto dumpity dump. And they basically use your money, and still we're seeing that 72 hours later, you still can't take any of the crypto off the platform. And then you know, this is what they said. Like, wow, this is reassuring. What a bunch of BS in the house, guys. You know, this guy's need to be kicked in the nuts. You know, so basically this is from Alex, and this came out like not too long ago. It says Celsius team is working on nonstop. We've focused on your concerns and thankful to have heard from so many. To see you come together in a clear sign of our community is the strongest in the world. This is the difficult moment. Your patience and support means the world to. Yeah, sure it does. Sure, the patience means a lot to them, because if you read the fine print, ladies and gentlemen, if they go bankrupt, you end up with nothing, nada out there. So they don't give a crap about you because they don't care. And I don't think that they're going to be able to save Celsius, and Celsius is going down. And guys, you know, if you call support and you say, I want my crypto, what are they going to tell you? Oh, we're sorry. Withdrawals have been suspended, yada, 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 until they finally say, oh, we're sorry. You know, Alex is going to come out with the next week. We're sorry. We're declaring bankrupt. You're all SOL. Thank you very much. So guys, we need a clear plan. Are you going bankrupt? And if so, how much, what percentage you're going to pay people out? Is it going to be 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, or nothing? Come clean, be transparent, and tell the community exactly what the heck is going on. Because a lot of people have got their life savings on Celsius. You know, and I had a ton of Bitcoin on Celsius 72 hours, 4 days ago, but I was lucky that I was able to get my crypto off, one day before they locked our crypto on their platform. So thank God for me. But a lot of you must feel like crap out there. So guys, Alex, if you're watching this video, brother, you need to come clean and you need to tell us exactly what the heck is going on, how much you're going to give back. If it's going to be zero, come clean, guys. And, I think that we have also heard that there's been some class action suits that have been filed as well. So, guys, jump on the bandwagon, guys. Absolutely jump on the bandwagon. It's crazy out there. So this is also coming in right now. So this from Stock Money Lizards, and Bitcoin market corrections proceed stock market corrections. So basically what they're saying is we need to have a stock market correction before we're going to have a crypto market correction. So right now we're still seeing that the broader market is going down, down. So, we could still see in the short term that cryptocurrency is going to be tanking out there, guys and gals. So from that perspective, you guys just have to watch out, guys. And also too, we're seeing here, if we get back to this whole Ethereum story, we're seeing that right now there is about $250 million Ethereum position will be liquidated at $1,000. So, if we take a look at the price of Ethereum right now, Ethereum is trading at 1,106. So as soon as Ethereum hits 1,000, there's going to be $250 million worth of Ethereum that is going to be liquidated, and that is definitely going to be pushing the price of Ethereum down to $800, guys. A lot of people are going to be wrecked out there like crazy. I mean, I'm okay. I mean, I bought my Ethereum like 100 years ago. I bought like $50, $60, $80. So my average price is around about $75. So I'm not too worried about it in the house. But a lot of you who bought in 2021 cycle, closer to the tops, anything above $800, you're going to be in deep doo-doo, guys. So, once again, it is people who are leverage average trading, and it's going to be liquidations, and it's just going to have a cascade effect, and it's going to push the prices down, down. It's not helping. It's absolutely not helping out there. This is also coming in as well. We did talk about this, the Alex debacle out there with Celsius. We talked about this. Also too, if we look at the this from Crypto Bull God in the house, and he's saying Bitcoin multiple of current Bitcoin price over the 200 SMA. So we are seeing that simply another statistic saying buying today will be most likely result in incredible ROI. So you can see right now that if you look at the 200-day simple moving average, this is a huge opportunity to be buying, and we're seeing this here when Bitcoin dropped below the 200-day moving average in 2019, and at the Corona dump, we often had a huge reversal to the upside. And what he's kind of basically saying is, look, if you buy now, we're under the 200 SMA, you're definitely going to be making out like Flynn when we have a reversal. And Bitcoin could go down to 14,000. Absolutely possible right now. If the 21,030 level doesn't hold, we're definitely going to go down to 19,000 and 600 in the house. And if that doesn't hold, we're going down to 14,000, guys. I guarantee it. So, guys, buckle up. But what I'm doing is I'm putting ladder buys down in at 5% all the way down to Bitcoin, guys. So we got some Doge Warrior news as well that we're going to cover. Doge Warrior has a new website. We're going to talk about that. But you guys can still see that the number of holders of more than one Bitcoin is still growing like crazy. So you can see that even though the price of Bitcoin is going down, down, you're seeing that the number of people holding one Bitcoin or more is increasing, guys. So this is bullish. I believe that the fundamentals of Bitcoin is still solid, and I believe that Bitcoin is underpriced, guys, like crazy out there. So this is just also coming in. We talked about this. Also, the Bitcoin is only 11 million addresses away from 1 billion number of addresses. So this is also more and more evidence that there's still a lot of people buying Bitcoin, accumulating Bitcoin, and holding Bitcoin because the number of addresses, Bitcoin addresses, is about to reach 1 trillion, guys. So let's get that. So there's a lot of positive outness out there. Some laws seem so precise in their consequences that it seems impossible to invalidate. Deep structures determine these laws. We can only find the laws, not the structures that determine them. So you can see here that today in the history, the fifth day in the Bitcoin history, that RSI is below 50. So every time we see the RSI below 50, we often have a huge pump. Below 50, pump. Below 50, pump. So right now we're seeing that the RSI right now is below 50, and this has been pretty indicative, and this is only the 5th time that this has happened. Could we see a reversal? Yes, I believe that reversal is coming. As exactly when it's going to be coming, I can't tell you right now, but I believe that by the end of this year, all of this silliness, Bitcoin will be back up again, and we are going to be entering into 2023, definitely going to be entering into bull run territory, guys, or sooner. So you can take that to the bank. As we take it to the bank, let's take a look at heat map. We can still see things going down, down. Let's take a look at the markets again. The markets right now, you can still see the markets are still tanking out there. So this is just coming in. Looks like Dogecoin.com redesign ready for preview. So basically, the Dogecoin community, they went out on Reddit and they asked for a whole bunch of HTML and CSS and graphic designers to come up with a concept for the new website for Doge. So this is a new website, guys. I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Smash the like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about the new Dogecoin website? I think it's pretty cool, guys. It goes on to like what is Dogecoin, has all of that stuff, how to get started. We've got the wallets out there, so links to the wallet. So this looks pretty cool. The community, what the community is about, all of that kind of stuff. So this website is looking pretty cool. It's a lot better than the old website. What do you guys think? You like this website or you like the old website? I'd love to hear what you got to say. Comment up a storm, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is at 5.5 cents right now. It was at 6 cents yesterday, but it's come down today. It's almost dropped around about 9.73%. So that's not looking good. And we're seeing a lot of the droppages becoming because of Bitcoin is going down again, and Bitcoin is about to hit the 21,030 level right now, and if it goes below that and invalidates that, then we're definitely going to be going down to like 19,600 in the house, guys. So if Bitcoin crashes below that, then we're going down to this level right here, guys. So that is absolutely what is going to be happening. Let me just put that in for us. There we go. There we go. So that is where we're probably going to go down to right there, guys. And I'm going to make that white so we can see that better. So that's my next target. That's the next target if Bitcoin can hold the 21,030 support level that we talked about. So So right now, let's take a look at the total Bitcoin dollars that's coming down. So that's pretty good. We're seeing that the S&P is tanking again. We're seeing that the DXY is coming down a little bit. I mean, it was as high as like $105, guys. But we need the S&P to come down to like below 100, guys. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh. Let's see what's going on right now with the leverage apers in the house. Remember, the Friday we got the options expiration, so we can see some volatility there. Seeing about $358 million worth of leverage apes getting wrecked, and that's about 121,000 traders. And right now on the hourly, we're seeing shorts. That's why Bitcoin price is going down, because everybody longs. That's why Bitcoin is going down, because we got a long squeeze, and that's going to push the Bitcoin price down, down. So on these knuckleheads, every time they bet that Bitcoin's going up, guess what? The market makers push it down, bang. And expect some Hunter wicks. Expect a reversal today to the downside. That's what we're getting. Reversal day is in. Oh boy, it's so expected, guys. So we're seeing that the ADA is still pretty much a darling out there. It's holding strong above 45 cents, and it's almost at 50 cents. So that is pretty good from that perspective. Let's take a look at total market cap. It's still dropping, guys. The market cap is still dropping. OMG, and wow. We're almost pretty close to 3 trillion. Now we're not even at 1 trillion. That sucks, guys. And we're seeing that the market cap is at 919 billion in the house. The volumes are at 77 billion, and the Bitcoin down is about 43.77. So that's going to be good for the altcoins. They're seeing more liquidity moving out of Bitcoin into altcoins, but still everything is going down. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 1.59%. We were up earlier today in Vietnam. Earlier this morning we were up. Things were looking pretty good. I was pretty positive. In my previous video, things were looking pretty green. I was pretty positive. We're seeing that basically Ethereum is, I think Ethereum is probably going to go down to $1,000. We're seeing that BNB is still positive. Wow. We're seeing ADA is positive, 2.6% up. We're seeing Solana is up 6.56%. DOT is up. Doge is still up, guys, 5.35%. So that's not too bad. Shiba's up. So we're seeing a bit of a mixed bag, but we're seeing that, the two key projects, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are tanking like crazy out there. So that's going to bring this video to an end, guys and gals. So the key word is, can Bitcoin hold the 21,030 support level? Comment, do you think it? Hashtag 2130, and let me know if you think it's going to hold that support. I would appreciate it, guys. And do go follow me on Twitter, guys. Boot the likes, go down there, check out all the links, guys. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel on coffee, check out the links, guys. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the merch, gear up on the OG gear. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of stuff, guys. We even got accessories. Let's take a look at the accessories. You guys know what the accessories are all about, right? We got mugs, we got all sorts of stuff, we got backpacks. Guys, go get the gear, guys. Oh, gear up the OG gear, guys. Get it while you can. I love it, guys. So I just want to say, right now, for the crypto markets, it ain't looking good today. Looks like we're going to get a reversal to the downside for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's see, guys. I mean, we have some of the, the layer 1s and layer 2s. They're coming back, but let's see if Ethereum and Bitcoin can bounce back. It all depends on the markets right now. The markets are still down. They are going down more. So I don't think that, Dow is now, when I started this video, is down 500 points. Now it's down 700 points. I don't think that, and it's at the lowest level in more than 1 year right now. So I think that the Bitcoin and Ethereum is probably going to go tankety tank, guys. So I just want to say, God bless you guys. Be well, be in peace, go with God. Stop panicking, guys. And, stop looking at your portfolio and maybe check back at the end of the year and see what's going on with that, guys. So I love you guys. I'll keep you updated if anything critical happens between now and tomorrow. So God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.